Alright, so as always, I'm starting out with freshly washed hair. So whenever you're getting ready to deal with your hair, it's always a great idea to work in quadrants. That way your hair is a lot more manageable and easy to control. So here I'm dividing my hair into 4 sections. Once the sections have been divided, I go ahead and secure each section with either a scrunchie or some type of clip, hair clip, anything to put the section away. And here I am with 3 sections secured and 1 ready to go. And honestly, doing this just makes my hair look a lot less intimidating and more inviting to work with. Now with twists, it is important to keep in mind that the smaller the twist, the more defined your twist out will be. Okay, so I begin the twist out process by using a rat tail comb to part my hair in order to cut out a section of hair. And on this particular section, I will be applying my leave-in conditioner first and then working it through the hair, making sure to focus on the ends. Then I would proceed to, detangle the hair using a wide tooth comb. Next, I will be applying a cream on my hair and working it through the hair, making sure that the cream really soaks in, and then I'll be sealing it with oil. So I basically used the LCO method here. And then finally detangling my hair yet again, because we want the hair to be tangle free. That's really key to having a defined twist out. Next, I'm going to be further sectioning smaller sections out of this particular section. And this will be for the individual twists. Now, while twisting, sometimes the ends tend to need a little bit more detangling, so just go ahead and go in with a smaller tooth comb to take out the knots and make it tangle free, and continue twisting. And for this section, I just felt like it needed some more detangling, so I went in with the smaller tooth comb and working it through the hair, making sure it's really knot free, and then proceeding to twist my hair. So here I am the next day, and my twists are all dry and looking nice and beautiful. But unfortunately, I have to take these down. So to begin the untwisting process, I went ahead and rubbed some oil on my hands and worked it through the twists. Okay, now I've already started untwisting my hair, but sometimes it's a little hard for me to tell what I've untwisted or not. And so what really helps is putting the twists away, and that's what I'm doing here with the scrunchie. So while untwisting, it is important to follow the untwisting method. So literally you are untwisting your hair. So you're taking the hair in the opposite direction of where you originally took it when you were twisting your hair, if that made sense. So here I am with all of my twists unraveled, and with this shot I just really hoped to drive home the importance of putting away your twists and gradually unraveling your twists. It helps make sure that there isn't one twist left that hasn't been unraveled. Lastly, we begin the teasing process, and we do that by lifting the hair from the roots. Really, it's a lot better if you have a pick, but I did not have a pick, so I just used this comb that I had. And you can see that I'm going, section by section and just kind of lifting the hair up gradually. Now, a really great tip to keep in mind is the more you lift your hair or tease your hair, the more volume your twist out will have. So you can continue to lift your hair and tease your hair until you are satisfied with the volume of your hair. So here is the final look. I wanted to keep my curls as intact as possible and just, get a little bit of volume, but not too much, or do anything crazy that would disrupt my definition. But here you are, a nice, defined, curly look. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.